Hi, I'm Garrett with Pit Boss Grills, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the Hammertone 2 Series digital electric smoker. Before I start, I'm going to lay everything out on the table and check the owner's manual to make sure that I have all the parts. The first step is attaching wheels to all 4 legs. Then mount the legs to the underside of the lower cabinet assembly. Secure the front panel to the front 2 legs. Mount the power cord bracket onto the front left leg. Then mount the support bar to the back 2 legs. Mount the side panels to the left and right sides. Then mount the power cord bracket onto the left leg panel. Next, mount the bottom chamber assembly to the underside. Mount the dampers to the inside of the cabinet, using spring washers, nuts, and screws. Then mount the back handle. Next, mount the smoker cabinet to the lower assembly using 6 screws. Then secure the temperature sensor. Set the cooking grid supports to your desired heights. Then insert the water pan and cooking grids. Now it's time to put the door back on and secure the Pit Boss logo plate to the front and the grease shield to the inside. Mount the handle to the door and the latch to the side of the cabinet. Assemble the wood chip tray slide it into place along with the grease tray and the meat probe. And that's how you assemble the Hammertone digital electric smoker. Thanks for watching, and be sure to go online to pitbossgrills.com to check out other products.